Hey everyone, Dalton here with Byrider Madison. I wanted to make a video here kind of explaining what a buy here, pay here financing is. Now here at Byrider, we're helping folks with credit challenges to get nicer, newer vehicles of their own. We work with all sorts of credit challenges, whether it's bad, damaged, no credit, things like that. Helping those folks that might need a second chance or maybe credit's not the greatest, get into a nicer, newer vehicle with a warranty behind it. And then obviously helping them build their credit up so that it can open up many more doors for them, get them back on the right track with the credit, like I said, so it can open up many doors for you down the road, whether it's nicer, newer vehicles down the line or maybe possibly a house, stuff like that, just to get the credit back in check. Also here at Byrider, with how quick we're trying to get people into vehicles, our process is very fast. Applications, I would say, normally take just about 5-10 minutes to get the application finished up and completed. And then normally it just takes about, I would say on average, probably maybe 15 minutes, I would say, maximum. Sometimes it can take longer depending on if there's extra customers inside or whatnot. But yeah, we try to keep it quick, try to get you an answer as fast as we can if we can get you into a vehicle, as we definitely do want to try and help you. But yeah, definitely, if your credit's an issue, if you're in need of a nicer, newer vehicle, give us a call. We'd be more than glad to try and help you. Dalton, Byrider Madison, 608-663-1213. Give me a call. I'll be more than glad to try and help you. Talk to you later. Bye.